Today we're going to show you how to gift subs. If you're not in the stream already, navigate to the streamers page where you want to gift the sub. In the lower right hand corner, click gift a sub, and keep in mind this won't always say 20% off. If you want to gift a specific user, click on that in the upper right hand corner, type in their name, and keep in mind you can also gift anonymously if you'd like. Another way to gift a specific person is by clicking on their name in chat, click gift a sub, and you'll be brought to the same screen. You can also choose to gift them a tier 1, tier 2, or tier 3, and you can select the amount of months, if other than 1, of how long you want to sub them for. Now we're going to head back to the main screen, and this is for if you want to gift a sub but you want Twitch to pick who it's for. Here you can gift 1, 5, 10, or pick a custom amount. You can also choose to gift them tier 2 or tier 3. We're just going to click on gifting 1 sub to show you. Then you'll be able to change your payment method and make sure the quantity of subs is right. As soon as you're done, click complete purchase. Keep in mind this is only going to work for channels that are affiliated or partnered, as they're the only channels that can be monetized. And that is how you gift subs on Twitch. We hope you liked this video on how to give subs. Like, subscribe, let us know in the comments, and we can't wait to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching!